First up, the kitchen. Save precious cabinet space by using magnetic spice containers on the side of your refrigerator or a magnetic board. A practical solution with a dash of style. Next, tackle the tangled cables with binder clips. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your cables through the metal loops. No more sliding off or tangling. Now, let's move to the closet. Hang your jeans on S-shaped shower hooks. This method maximizes space and keeps your jeans wrinkle-free. Don't forget about the under-the-bed space. Flat storage containers are perfect for storing out-of-season clothing or extra linens, out of sight but always accessible. Back to the kitchen. Stop the clutter in your cabinets by storing baking sheets and trays vertically using a desktop file sorter. A simple fix that makes life easier. Make your own drawer dividers with cardboard or thin wood. Organize kitchen utensils, office supplies, or makeup. Everything has its place. Over-the-door clear shoe organizers are not just for shoes. Use them to store snacks, cleaning supplies, or beauty products. An instant space saver. Chalkboard stickers and a chalk pen are your friends in the pantry. Label your jars for a chic, organized look and quicker ingredient finding. In the closet, use a soda can tab to hang 2 hangers together. Double your space instantly. A clever trick for small closets. Finally, hide unsightly clutter with decorative bins or baskets on bookshelves. They keep your shelves neat and add a decorative touch to your living space. That's it for today. Implement these hacks and watch your home transform into a more organized, efficient space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more life-changing tips from Hackmaster. See you in the next video.